What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here. Got a quick unboxing for you. Not for these bed lifts. Not for that. This is just the package that it came in. I ordered this off of eBay a couple weeks ago. Forgot about it. Forgot I got the package actually until I looked at it and was like, oh yeah, I got that. Picked it up for a decent price and yeah, might see a little yellow down there. Let's see. You're taking a look at this right here. Is a 1980s Bluebird All-American model, one of my favorite buses, and this is a great model. I already have one of these, but it's a little bit different, I believe. Let's see, get that other piece off. So, taking a look around, you can see we got Bluebird up front, we got a black grille, 8 red warning lights, 4 in the front, 4 in the back, obviously. This one is in a little bit better condition than the one I have. I got mine at Spring Fling a couple years ago, and it looks like it was used as a toy or something. It does look like it was repainted up here, which is fine. There's some plastic right there too, so I'm curious as to what happened around here. So maybe that's tape on there. I think that's what this is. So yeah, there's that. So upon closer examination, it looks like this right here is all tape because there's some scratching or something, and that's the closest color they could get. So yeah, South Huntington Schools. Here's the back of the bus. Nice. 1957. And this side. So we do have the bank slot thing, the little coin, whatever you want to call it, there. Yeah, so I'll show you just a few. There's only one noticeable difference that I saw between, this is the current model that I have. Take a look at the rims on this, right there, and take a look at the ones on there. So this one kind of has slotted rims, while this one does not. I'm sure there's a specific name for it, but I don't know. So, and then just otherwise, you can see that this one is much betterly done. Betterly isn't a word. I don't know what I'm saying. But as you can see, someone drew on this and kind of scratched up at the bottom here, and this one is not that way. You can also see there's understorage down there. Didn't see that at first. Is there understorage on this one? Yes, there is. I don't think I ever noticed that. So there's that. And yeah, so just kind of wanted to show that off real quick. Nothing too crazy, nothing too wild, but I don't think I had really ever shown one of these off in video before. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't, but actually, come to look at it, I'm looking at it now. There are not 8 red warning lights. These are definitely all red, amber, amber, red. It just picks up in video, or at least on my end right now, that they're all red. So, and that begs the question. Okay, yeah, those are definitely. So again, another difference here. You can see black warning light, black around the warning lights, yellow around the warning lights, and that very well could have been whoever was doing this. It looks like they painted all of that stuff. So it's nice to kind of have just an original one to show off. So anyways, just wanted to do that. And yeah, guys, so that'll do it. Thank you so much for watching. Always appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's a magical red button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Liner C2. Make sure you count it up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it, down here where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or all of my models are going to end up like this, drawn all over. And make sure you also share this video with a friend. Show it to your mom, share it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't let anything happen to you. So yeah, guys, that's going to do it for this video, and thanks for watching.